Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use effect video call in WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this you have to open your WhatsApp. Now click on three dots. Go to settings. Scroll down. Now press on privacy. Scroll down. Here you can see allow camera effect. If you want to use it for your video call in your WhatsApp, you just have to turn on the button. Press on continue. That's it. So this is how to use effect video call in WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.